From a young age, I spent a lot of time in a courtroom with my father. He was a criminal defense attorney, and I would sit there just kind of mesmerized by the process and fascinated by being able to sit in that library with the books of knowledge and just the amount of wisdom that was there, and wanting to be part of a system that's bigger than myself. There is nothing more valuable than starting off as a public defender. You are literally thrown in a courtroom, handed 150 to 200 files of real life situations and people with issues, and you learn how to do legal triage. It's given me litigation skills, trial skills, but also, I hate to call it this way, but people handling skills. So you don't really know how to deal with another human being, because part of being a lawyer is not just the legal advice, but it's also being a counselor. We are a counselor of law. And being a public servant, where you're literally having to visit people in jail with very serious problems, really gives you a skill that you can use in any field of law. If you can understand and humanize and empathize with another human being who's probably at their lowest at that point, having been charged with a crime of some sort, you can take that and use it in any field, whether it's family law or equally emotional, or even business decisions, where people are going through a business divorce of sorts with their partner. I'm able to help those that can't speak up for themselves. That's why I enjoy doing what I do, and that's actually why I got into it. Here at the Orlando Law Group, I have the opportunity of handling personal injury claims, as well as first-party PIP claims. So those are the other side of PI, as we say, where it's the no-fault insurance for your own insurance, and making sure that the carriers are paying the full value of those claims so that both the doctor and the patient are protected. I also serve as a mediator for circuit and civil cases, and I volunteer once a month for the Orange County Courthouse, and have for the last 9 years, I want to say, mediating small claims cases. We here at the Orlando Law Group, as we say in our tagline, we listen, we care, and we solve. And it's not just a tagline, it's really what we do. We sit with our clients, we hear and listen to what they're saying, and then we process it from an outsider point of view, looking at the law that's available, but also looking at what it is they're saying they need, but also listening to what's deeper and what may actually really be needed. When somebody comes to you with a problem, they only see their side of the problem. And one of the things that we do exceptionally well is help them see all sides of it, so that they can make an informed decision as to what really does work best for themselves, their business, their family, whatever the issue might be that they've come to us and entrusted us with to service them in the best way that we can. So we do, we listen, we care, and we solve.